Mr. Speaker, in fact, on the side of minority, we have confirmed that we do not want to make any contributions to this motion. and Mr. Speaker, protect me, please.
Can Senator Sifuna be heard in silence?
Yes.
Proceed.
And on this particular agenda, I want to ask that the majority leader seconds me. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Mr. Speaker, I have equally read the mood on the majority side, and I have declared that nobody will be allowed to speak. We put the question because people want to begin their recess, Mr. Speaker. I just want one vote, 2 votes, Mr. Speaker, for third reading, and we go home.
Now, honorable senators, pursuant to the mood as correctly read by Senator Sifuna and the majority leader, I will proceed to put the question. The notwithstanding the resolutions of the Senate made on the 16th February 2023, approval of Senate calendar on 29th March 2023 and on the 27th June 2023, alteration of the Senate calendar, pursuant to Standing Order 32-4, the Senate resolves to further alter its calendar, regular sessions for the second session 2023 in respect of Part 5 to resume from recess on Tuesday 19th September 2023. Will as many as of that opinion say aye? Aye. Will as many as of the contrary opinion say nay? Aye. The ayes have it. Next order.
Order number 8, Committee of the Whole, the Climate Change Amendment Bill, National Assembly Bills number 42 of 2023.